Bring it on, DJ. Bring it on, DJ. Benin Audience. Happy New Year. Now, hospital where they come from, oh. Snake bites my guy, where agent go show land. For fast developing area. Few minutes from the airport.
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The very good bad guys.
Well, if they never kill one about this agent, they're not going to rest. The one way was past now, car agent. Benin car agent. Because you won't sell car where you don't know. Because you won't sell them, you post them for WhatsApp. Say RS 350, nothing to face. My guy buy one last month. Till now, you don't get what you never face for that car. Benin too rocket ho. Now which day for a year? This is Benin. 9-1 boy, they inside army healers with handcuff. He wear bossa. He dey wave me. 9 army answer, do you know him? Now I say, all of us gather grow. How? Benin too sweet, oh. I beg, governor they try, but one thing I want to make it do, make this governor ban hype men. They won't kill us. Yesterday, crossover night, after church. Now we say we could enter one club, go ball. They can talk anyhow, all those hype men. With their club, we just they dance, so. We just they dance. Get it. We just they dance. Next thing we hear, now one hype man, oh. Now the guy say, you know that was night, they blow banker for outside, twee. As they dance for side club, now the hype man shout, you feed there outside, they blow banker. Make another boy there with your girlfriend for inside, they banker. You know, say if you there with your girl, you say, oh boy, this guy, they hive. But if your girl not there, you say, if it be true. Money! We need to rugged. Well, welcome to the year of tax. As we did, everybody just confused. Different tax rules just there online. Do this, don't do that. Nobody now knows where we dey for this Nigeria. But I beg, they careful. At the local now, they laugh. They say tax law. When you forgo FIS page, go hear the thing. You dey follow content creator. Say your narration. Okay, well done. So after the year end, they can check all your statements. Say you receive 80 million. All of them are gift. Well done, Father Christmas.
Thank you, sir.
Say na gift. I go out with you now for crossover now. Now the pastor say during offering, say please, when doing transfer for tithe and offering, please let your narration be loan receive, unless you will not receive. Oh but country don't scatter. But I beg, enjoy your life. I feel like being new. See you at dinner, you're soft. Nice shoe. You can not remove the label. Shoe 2 course. If na Abuja I dey, Abuja boy wear this shoe now. Person can't hear me. Say, bros, your shoe fine. Abuja boy go say, wow, thank you. Lagos boy wear this kind of shoe. They call him, bro, your shoe fine. They say, wow, thank you. Benin boy wear this kind of shoe. You hail him. Osas, nice shoe. Go look you. Now 80K you see so.
Shoe pero. Shoe pero.
Oh boy. We no get time. This year, take God beg you. No hurry, you. We don't know how the year won't be. No allow anybody pressure you. I beg, if you dey squat with person, still stay, oh. I don't discover, say, nothing hard for this life. Pass to pay second house rent. Second house rent. You see that first house rent? If you won't pack, maybe they complain, say, I don't like the way this guy is treating me. He's doing me anyhow. He's talking to me anyhow. You won't come move, go pay house rent. Money go dey come from everywhere. You go bless it at the will of God. Now devil, oh. Once you tell your friend, say, bro, I won't move, oh. You say, wow, I think it is time. Send account. You go send you small thing. You say, wow, if I say God dey for this matter, you can't hurry. Go rent your own house. Now when you pay your first house rent, you're going to say 1 year, no complete 12 months. Before you buy things for your parlor finish, month don't end. Year don't end. Every year go first blow. So I beg, if you dey squat, just stay, oh. No hurry, oh. Say I'm not comfortable. Stay there. Humble yourself to avoid problem. Might do this one, make I go. You know, say, my guy, they talk about his wife, his children. Women, they try you. But our women, I beg. Mo could try. They romantic, I beg. Mostly our wives. I don't discover, say, our wives, many of them know they're romantic at all. See, American man, bath, come out for bedroom. As his wife see him, say him bath. She'll say, wow, Anthony, you smelling nice. American man. Jamaican man, bath, come outside. As his wife see him, she go hail him. Wow, bumbo clock, you smell so nice. Benin man, bath, come outside. His wife go look him. They don't they call you. Oh. For the tribal and clap now. So our people not try. They're romantic. And Benin girls will never marry. I don't know why Benin girls do they hide the relationship? Why? If American girl they date, she know they shame. She go post a picture of the boy. She'll go write caption. I love you, John. You know she's dating John. Benin girl won't post the boyfriend, no picture. Because you're right, I love you. If you know, you know. We don't know. You don't see all these Benin girls, they follow their boyfriend drive for town. The boy go they drive, but they play music. The girl go they do Snapchat. They can hide their boyfriend. The boy go they do Snapchat. The girl go they do Snapchat. Her face go they show. We go they watch her for WhatsApp status. She go they do one. The phone go shake. If you want to show the boy, she will turn him again. She go they do only her face. The girl she will come down. Only the boy's shoulder. Now go come the show. Only his shoulder. Now we are going to ask our friends, Alpha, observe this girl picture. Who get this shoulder for Benin? Who draw scorpion for shoulder? Benin, good night. My name is MC. They're saying God bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please appreciate
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The very good bad guys.